Connect to clean from anywhere with the Roomba 690 robot vacuum. The 3-stage cleaning system is specially engineered to loosen, lift, and suction everything from small particles to large debris from carpets and hard floors. Dirt detect sensors alert the Roomba robot vacuum to clean more thoroughly on concentrated areas of dirt. Just press clean or schedule Roomba on the go with the iRobot Home app engineered for performance. The 3-stage cleaning system uses dual multi-surface brushes, a specially designed edge-sweeping brush, and vacuum suction to attack everything from small particles to large debris on your carpets and hard floors. The lithium-ion battery keeps the Roomba robot vacuum's powerful cleaning system running. Dual multi-surface brushes, the robot vacuum brand with 2 main cleaning brushes, one to loosen dirt and the other to pick it up. The brushes work together to grab and remove dirt, dust, hair, and large debris from your floors. Clean debris from carpets and hard floors. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to keep the multi-surface brushes in close contact with different floor surfaces, effectively cleaning carpets and hard floors. Dirt detect technology. Dirt detect sensors recognize concentrated areas of dirt, like in high-traffic zones of your home, and provide additional cleaning in those spots. Sweeps away debris hiding along walls. The edge-sweeping brush is specially designed at a 27-degree angle to sweep debris away from edges and corners. Intelligently navigates your home. Using a full suite of smart sensors, the Roomba robot vacuum makes more than 60 decisions per second to adapt to your home and thoroughly clean your floors. Cliff detect sensors avoid stairs and other drop-offs. Use with the included dual-mode virtual wall barrier for more control over where your robot cleans. iRobot Home app. Clean and schedule your robot vacuum anytime, from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. Access tips and support. Turn on push notifications to receive real-time updates on cleaning jobs, and more, all from your smartphone.